Useful sight words. Set 1. Let's start reading. The. The. The cat is on the mat. Ah. Ah. I see a big red apple. Is. The dog is happy. In. The fan is in the box. On. The cup is on the rug. It. It is a hot day. And. The fox and the hen are here. See. I see a fat pig. My. This is my bed. Two. I run to the big van. Let us read them again. The. Is. In. On. It. And. See. My. Two. Set 2. Simple words and actions. Go. Go to the red net. Can. The frog can hop. I. I can see the sun. Look. Look at the wet mop. At. Look at the funny bug. You. You can sit here, me, me. Play with me in the mud. Up, up. The bug went up, down, down. Sit down on the log. We, we. We can hop and run. Let us read them again. Go, can, I, look, at, you, me, up, down, we. Set 3. Moving along. He, he. He has a big hat. She, she. She is by the tub. Has, has. The ram has a bell. Like, like. I like my soft bed. This, this. This is a wet pin. No, no, no. The cat is not big. Not, not. It is not a mad dog. Big, big. I see a big blue jet. 4, 4. This gift is for you. Run, run. Run to the yellow bus. Let us read them again. He, she, has, like, this, no, not, big, for, run. Set 4. Learning more words. They, they, they sit on the rug with, with. Come with me to the dam. Have, have. I have a small pup. Said, said. Look here, said the teacher. Here, here. The red jam is here. Come, come, come and see the wet hen. R, R. The kids are on the mat. Was, was. The pup was in the tub. Off, off. He has bag of sweet nuts. Do, do. Do you see the fat cat? Let us read them again. They, with, have, said, here, come, are, was, off, do. Set 5. Story words. What? What? What is in the big box? Where? Where? Where is my red pen? Who? Who? Who is on the log? Will. Will. The lid will fit the pot. All. All. All the bugs are wet. Good. Good. You did a good job. out, out. He goes out of the house. There, there. There is a bug on the rug. Want, want. I want a yellow cup. Some, some. I see some red ants. Let us read them again. What, where, who, will, all, good, out, there, want, some. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.